In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to design this beautiful process flow in PowerPoint. Keys that I'm using during the design you can see at the below bar. Follow these keys and watch the video till the end. Let's get started. Go to format background. We will give some different color. Go to insert. Take the old shape by holding Shift Alt and drag it. Maybe 6 centimeter and 6 centimeter. It's okay. Take a rectangle. Yes. And maybe 4 centimeter, and I think we will place it here. We will align it first correctly. I think so. Align it correctly. Control select both. Go to merge shape, union, fill, no fill. Go to edit shape, edit points. Take this point and open path. Select this point, delete. Select this one, delete. And select this one, delete. Go to shape outline. Make its width maybe 3 to whole 1/4. Shape, no shape, yes. Pick the eyedropper and pick this color. Begin arrow will be this, and in size will be little bit larger. End arrow, this one, and size will be larger. Okay, you will give it some shadow effect. I think transparency will be 70 and size will be 102 is okay. 7 blur 7. Select this one. I think width will be 3 was okay. Go to select, Control D to duplicate it, and by holding Alt and left right arrow key, press 6 times right arrow key and align it perfect. Control D to duplicate it, hold Alt and press right arrow key 6 times. Again, Control D to duplicate it and press Alt, hold Alt right key 6 times and place it here. Align perfect. Select this one and pick this color. Select this one, go to shape outline, eyedropper, and pick this color. Select this one and pick shape outline, eyedropper, pick this color. I have some written text to save the time. Control C to bring it to the desired slide and Control V. Place it here at the center, and we will give it some gray color, dark gray color. We will give it also a gray color and place it here. Step 1. Place it here. Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Change its numbers. 2, 3, and 4. We will bring some icons. Go to icon, and we will bring some icons. You can find these icons according to your text in here in the icon tab. In search icon, you can give a name of icons and you will find your desired icon by holding Alt Shift and decrease the size of the icon. Place it here and place it here. I think we will align this text. Bring it a little bit down and place now the icon here. Align these text also. Okay, select this one and place it here. Now we will give the icon color to a desired color. Select, oh sorry, yes, this one. Graphic fill, this one, graphic fill, and this one. Graphic fill, give this icon to the desired color, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.